Baking a potato in the oven wrapped in foil is a simple way to make a really satisfying meal or side dish. It's a method that helps keep the inside of the potato soft and fluffy, and it locks in moisture while it bakes. If you like crispy skin, you can always unwrap the foil near the end of the baking time. It's a versatile technique that works for different kinds of potatoes, and it's great for meal prep because you can bake a batch at once. Picking the right potato matters for a good baked potato. Russet potatoes are a classic choice. They have a starchy texture that gets nice and fluffy when baked. Yukon Gold potatoes are another option. They have a creamier texture and a slightly buttery taste. Red potatoes are firmer and they hold their shape well. Sweet potatoes offer a naturally sweet flavor. They bake up soft and delicious too. Choose the one that sounds best for what you want to eat. First, you need to prepare the potatoes. Wash and scrub each one really well under running water. You want to get all the dirt off the skin. Then prick each potato several times with a fork. This lets steam escape while it's baking. It helps prevent the potato from bursting in the oven. Next, rub the potatoes with a little olive oil. This helps the skin get nice. Sprinkle them with salt for flavor. Now wrap each potato tightly in aluminum foil. Make sure it's completely covered. This keeps the moisture inside the potato as it bakes. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 220 degrees Celsius. This temperature is good for baking potatoes. Place the foil-wrapped potatoes on a baking sheet. This makes it easy to put them in and take them out of the oven, and it catches any drips. Bake them for about 45 to 60 minutes. The exact time depends on how big the potatoes are. Larger ones will take longer. To check if they're done, carefully insert a fork through the foil and into the potato. If the fork slides in easily, the potato is ready. If it feels hard, give it more time. Once they are tender, take them out of the oven. Carefully unwrap the foil. Be careful of the hot steam. Now comes the fun part, serving your baked potato. You can slice it open and fluff up the inside with a fork. Then add your favorite toppings. Classic toppings include butter, sour cream, and chives. Shredded cheese and bacon bits are also popular. These are simple and delicious. For something different, try gourmet options. Gruyere cheese melts beautifully on a hot potato. A drizzle of truffle oil adds a rich flavor. Sautéed mushrooms are also a great choice. If you want a healthier option, use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Add steamed broccoli, avocado, or hummus. Fresh salsa is also a good topping. You can even turn a baked potato into a full meal. Stuff it with chili and cheese, or use barbecue chicken or taco fillings. Roasted vegetables make a great vegetarian meal. Want a crispy skin on your baked potato? Remove the foil during the last 10 minutes of baking. This lets the skin dry out and crisp up. If you're in a hurry, you can speed things up. Microwave the potatoes for 5 to 7 minutes before putting them in the oven. This cuts down on the oven baking time. If you have leftovers, store them properly. Keep them in an airtight container in the fridge. They should be good for up to 4 days. To reheat leftovers, you can use the oven or the microwave. The oven will help the skin stay a bit firmer. The microwave is faster. How long does it really take to bake a potato? It varies by size. Larger potatoes might need up to 75 minutes. Smaller ones could be ready in 35 to 40 minutes. Do I have to wrap the potato in foil? No, you don't. Baking without foil from the start will give you a crispier exterior. Just rub it with oil and salt and place it directly on the oven rack or a baking sheet. What's the best type of potato for baking? Russets are usually considered the best for a fluffy texture, but Yukon Golds are great if you prefer a creamier potato. Baking potatoes in the oven wrapped in foil is a reliable method. It gives you a tender, flavorful potato every time. It's simple to do and doesn't require fancy ingredients. It's also very affordable, and it's perfect for meal prep because you can make several at once. Try different types of potatoes and experiment with toppings. You'll find what you love best.